if you want to increase the size of the column, many people will try to do like this. No, this is not how you increase the size of the column. What you need to do here, L is there, right? You need to come here and then increase the size like this. This is how you'll increase the size of the column. Now, if you want to increase the size of the row, you should not do like this. What you need to do here, you need to drag it down a little bit like this. You need to increase the row size. I wanted to increase the column size, so I'll put this here and I'll do this. So now observe what is happening. If I put January here, Excel will automatically recognize that, okay, you want to put all the month names. And then if I drag them down, can you see all the month names are coming one by one? All the month names come one by one here. Here like this, instead, if you just give May here, or let's say October I'm giving. When I did October, now also Excel will recognize that this is a month name. And if I drag this down, can you see I'm getting November and December? Okay. So now if I give APR, let's check now. If I drag this down, can you see April, next May, June, July, August? Even if you give short form, Excel is recognizing this. Okay. And also here, if you give weeks also, if you give any weekday, let's say I'm going to give Monday here. When I give Monday, now observe this, when I'm dragging this down, Excel also recognize that what I've typed is a weekday. So now it will automatically understand what things are going to come next. Now, how will you drag this? Notice what I'm doing. You should not drag from anywhere. If I drag from anywhere, it is not coming. What you need to do, go to bottom right. Okay, go to bottom right, and from here only you need to drag this. And when I've done this, it is coming till Sunday. Like this only. Here, even if you give Q1, how many quarters are there in a year? There are 4 quarters, right? Here, if I give quarter 1, so now Excel will recognize this also. Now, if I drag this down, here you notice that, say, it is showing me quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. Now, when I give quarter 1 and then when I drag this down, quarter 4, again it is starting from quarter 1. Okay. Excel recognizes this also. Like this, even if I just give Q1, Excel will recognize this also. See, Excel is recognizing this also. And after weekdays are done, if I try to drag further, again it is going to start from Monday. Can you see after Sunday, again it is starting from Monday. Same thing is going to happen with months. Again, it is going to start from Jan, Feb, March like this. There are few things Excel will recognize, and then if you drag it, Excel will automatically do the further typing for you when you drag it.